Welcome to our comparison video, where we will dive into the features and specifications of two popular portable washing machines, the COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine and the Mini Portable Washing Machine. We'll explore their capacities, design, and pricing to help you make an informed decision for your laundry needs. The COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine features a twin-tub design that allows for simultaneous washing and spinning, making it efficient for larger loads. In contrast, the Mini Portable Washing Machine boasts a compact and foldable design, perfect for those with limited space. While the COSTWAY is designed for more substantial laundry tasks, the Mini is ideal for smaller items like baby clothes and underwear. When it comes to capacity, the COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine can handle up to 20 pounds of laundry, with 12 pounds for washing and 8 pounds for spinning. On the other hand, the Mini Portable Washing Machine has a capacity of 15 liters, making it suitable for smaller loads. This difference in capacity is crucial for users who need to wash larger quantities of laundry at once. Price is another significant factor to consider. The COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine is priced at $159, reflecting its larger capacity and more robust features. In contrast, the Mini Portable Washing Machine is much more affordable at $59, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. However, potential buyers should weigh the price against the features and capacity they require. In conclusion, both the COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine and the Mini Portable Washing Machine offer unique advantages depending on your laundry needs. If you require a larger capacity and more functionality, the COSTWAY is the way to go. However, if you're looking for something compact and budget-friendly, the Mini Portable Washing Machine is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.